Good morning, students. Welcome to the third chapter, Playing with Numbers in Class 6. Students, you feel that mathematics is about numbers, symbols, shapes, etc. But it's mainly about understanding. Now, in this part 1, first I'll explain introduction of today's topic with some examples. Try to understand. Now, consider a number 25. When you divide 25 by 4, does it completely divisible by 4? Let us see. If you divide 25 by 4, 4 6 are 24, 25 minus 24, 1 here. Here it gives 6 as a quotient and leaves remainder 1. It means 25 is not divisible by 4. Suppose if you take a number 20. Is 20 is completely divisible by 4? Let us see. 20 if you divide by 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 minus 20 is 0. Here 5 as a quotient and which leaves remainder 0. It means 20 is divisible by 4. So from this what do you understand? When a number is completely divisible by another number, it leaves 0 as remainder. Here 20 is a 2-digit number. It's a simple division. We done fast. Suppose in place of this 2-digit number, if we have the large numbers like 4-digit number, 5-digit number, 6-digit number, 7-digit numbers, etc., it is difficult to do in the actual division and take much time. Yes or no? Yes. So, how can we say that without doing this actual division, whether the number is divisible by the given number or not? There are some techniques. These techniques are divisibility rules. What is a divisibility rule? The process of checking whether a number is divisible by a given number or not without actual division is called divisibility rule for that number. Now we are going to learn these rules. These rules are very interesting and very easy to remember. The first one, divisibility by 2. Before learning this, children tell me what are even numbers? 0 and multiples of 2 are called even numbers. So numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, etc. are even numbers. The other whole numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, etc. are called odd numbers. So the rule for divisibility by 2 is, if a number has any one of the digits 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 in its ones place, then the number is divisible by 2. If these numbers are in ones place means those are even numbers. It means that all even numbers are divisible by 2. Let us consider some examples here. Here you have some numbers. Now how can we check whether these numbers are divisible by 2 or not? For that, first we have to observe the digit in ones place. In ones place, if you find these digits, those are even numbers which are divisible by 2. Other than these digits, if you find, those are odd numbers which are not divisible by 2. Now let us see the first number, 132. What is the digit in ones place? 2. So 2 we have in this list, which is an even number. It is divisible by 2. Next number, 4873. Now what is the digit in ones place here? 3. Do we have 3 in this list? So it's an odd number which is not divisible by 2. Next number, 8290. What is the digit in ones place? 0. 0 we have in this even number list. So the full number is an even number which is divisible by 2. Next number, 15364. Now observe the digit in ones place, which is 4. 4 we have in the list of even numbers. So the full number is even number which is divisible by 2. Next number, 79,529. Tell me what is the digit in ones place? 9. Do we have 9 in this list? So it's an odd number which is not divisible by 2. Next one, 9,90,416. Now tell me what is the digit in ones place? It is 6. So 6 we have in the even number list. Hence this number is even number which is divisible by 2. Now the last number 5,12,708. Now tell me what is the digit in ones place? 8, which is even number. So this number is also divisible by 2. Children, how easy you see? Without actual division, we set the answers. Yes or no? Yes. Now let us learn some more rules. That is divisibility by 3. The rule for divisibility by 3 is, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. What do you mean by sum here? The result of addition. What are digits? Here you see, consider some examples. Here you have some numbers. In 12,345, 5 is a digit, 4 is a digit, 3 is a digit, 2 is a digit, 1 is a digit. All these digits together form a number. So if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Now let us consider the sum of digits in the first number. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Now add 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Is 15 is divisible by 3? Yes. 15 is divisible by 3. Hence this number is divisible by 3. Now you see the next number. 2,73,104. Now you see the sum of digits. 2 plus 7 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 4. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. Now tell me, is 17 is divisible by 3? 17 is not divisible by 3. Hence, this number is not divisible by 3. Now let us see one more example. 36,129. If you find the sum of digits, we get 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 plus 9, which is 21. Is 21 is divisible by 3? Yes, 21 is divisible by 3. Hence, this number is divisible by 3. Now you see the last number. 5,05,843. Now you see here, sum of digits 5 plus 0 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3, which is 25. Is 25 is divisible by 3? 25 is not divisible by 3. Hence this number is not divisible by 3. So this is the way we check the divisibility rule by 3. Now one more, divisibility by 6. As you know that 6 is a multiple of 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. Now the rule for divisibility by 6 is, if a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, then the number is divisible by 6. Now let us consider some examples here. Here you have some numbers. When all these numbers are divisible by both 2 and 3, then only it is divisible by 6. The first number is 7,244. To check divisibility by 2, we observe the digit in ones place. What is the digit in ones place here? 4. So it's an even number which is divisible by 2. To check divisibility by 3, we find sum of digits. 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. So here, this number is divisible by 2 but not divisible by 3. Hence, this is not divisible by 6. Now consider the next number. 80,052. Now you see here, what is the digit in ones place? 2. It's an even number which is divisible by 2. Sum of digits 8 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2. 8 plus 0, 8. Again 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. Here 15 is divisible by 3. So here this number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Hence finally it is divisible by 6. Now you see third example. 3,21,729. What is the digit in ones place here? 9. 9 is an odd number. So which is not divisible by 2. If we find the sum of digits, we get here 24, where 24 is divisible by 3. So this number is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So hence finally it is not divisible by 6. Either of them is no here. Finally you say that it is not divisible by 6. Now the last one, 63,901. Now what is the digit in ones place here? 1. Here 1 is an odd number, so this number is an odd number which is not divisible by 2. If you see the sum of digits, which is 19. 19 is not divisible by 3. So here one thing you remember, once if you get no here, actually no need to check the other one, but I checked it here. In both cases we got no here. So finally this number is not divisible by 6. Children, this is the way these rules help us to find whether the number is divisible by the given number or not without actual division. Children, I hope you understand this. With this I end today's session. Next class we learn some more divisibility rules. Once again you watch this video and complete given assignment sums. Thank you.